Today, we're going to dive into something pretty special. It's a business philosophy built on what you might call radical humanity. We're going to break down the values and the vision behind something called the QiAlly Way and really get to the heart of what it means to build a business from a place of real lived experience. And it all starts right here. Just, hey there, it's Q. Notice what's missing? There's no corporate speak, no fancy mission statement. It immediately sets a completely different tone. This is going to be a conversation, not a sales pitch. And there it is. That's the core promise. It's all about stripping away the pretense, the filters, and just getting down to what's real. The whole idea is to start with transparency from the very first hello. So you have to wonder, where does an approach like this even come from? Well, let's just say it wasn't dreamed up in a boardroom. Its roots go a lot deeper than that. Here's the key. This isn't just a business model. It's a philosophy that was born from real life. We're talking about personal challenges, about resilience, and about turning struggle into a genuine guiding purpose. Now, this is just so powerful. It takes something that could be seen as a vulnerability and completely reframes it. It's not about being broken, it's about being built different. And that different perspective, well, that becomes the source of a more empathetic way of working. It's right at the core of the company's entire ethos. And this line just connects all the dots, doesn't it? It draws a straight line from that personal experience to the professional commitment. The value you're getting isn't just some textbook knowledge, it's an empathy that comes from having actually been there. And that transforms the work from just a service into a real mission. Okay, so we've got this deeply personal why, but how do you actually turn that feeling, that purpose, into a moral compass for a business? How does lived experience become a set of principles you can actually follow every single day? Well, it gets boiled down to these 4 pillars: integrity, clarity, accountability, and empathy. These aren't just nice words on a wall. They're the active filter for every decision, every client interaction, every single project. They're the real deal. I mean, just listen to that. Integrity isn't optional, it's oxygen. That says it all, right? It's not a nice to have or something you do when it's convenient. It's framed as absolutely essential. Without it, the whole thing just can't exist. And then you have this idea, which just elevates everything. It suggests that the work isn't just about exchanging services for money. It's about making a meaningful impact. It's about aligning what you do with who you are. So we've talked about the why and the how, but what does all of this actually look like in practice? What does a partnership based on these values really feel like? This lays it out so clearly. The role here isn't to be a passive yes person. It's to be a true strategic partner. Someone who brings truth, builds systems, and actually protects the client's business, even if that means having a tough conversation now and then. It's about protection, not just agreement. But here's the thing, it's not a one-way street. That kind of deep commitment and honesty has to be met with the same from the client. The whole thing is built on mutual respect and a sense of shared responsibility. And to make sure that partnership really works, the boundaries are spelled out right from the start. This isn't about being rigid. It's about creating a psychologically safe space where honest, productive work can actually get done. It just reinforces those core values of integrity and clarity. So all of this, the why, the how, the what, it all leads to this. The final, and maybe the most important piece of the puzzle. What is all of this building toward? What's the ultimate promise? It comes back to this incredibly simple human idea. Especially in a world obsessed with automation, this is a powerful reminder. I'm not a machine. You are not a transaction. At the heart of it all are 2 people trying to build something that really matters. And you know what that means? It completely shifts the goal. We're not chasing some impossible standard of perfection. We're focused on showing up authentically, on building a real connection. That's where the real growth happens. And here it is, the core promise that ties it all together. Success isn't measured by a flawless checklist. It's measured by trust, by transformation, by truth. It's something you build together. So I'll just leave you with this question to chew on. What if? What if every partnership, every project, every collaboration we entered into started from a place of this much honesty, this much humanity? Just imagine how that could change the way we all work. It's a pretty powerful thought.